Hey guys, Exploitosh here, back again with the new video. So today is the part 2 of the Nmap series, and I'm gonna teach you some advanced commands of the Nmap in this video. So let me just open my terminal, and I want to show you guys how the default output looks like if you just use default command to scan your target. So we will just type Nmap, then our target, and hit the enter. It will take a few seconds to complete the scan, and as you can see, we have the port, the state of the port, and the service running on the port. So this is the basic default output which you might see if you use default scanning command. So I want to tell you guys, by default it scanned 1000 ports, which is a huge amount, and it didn't show us 996 ports which are closed already. So sometimes if you scan the huge network, it might take a huge amount of time to complete the scan, and it's possible that you maybe just close the terminal by mistake and you lost the output. So I'm gonna teach you how you can save the output to a file in the human readable format. So to do that, let me just clear my terminal and type nmap, and we will type the -o, which means the output, and capital G, which is the format of the output, which G stands for the grapable. So the grapable is basically human readable format, which you can easily read and use it further for any scripts with or any tools you might like. Now we will just type another hyphen, and I will type my own subnet here. So you can find your own subnet by just ifconfig, and if you are using the Ethernet, you can see the ETH0, but I'm using the Wi-Fi, so I will use the WLAN 0. As you can see, this is my IP, and this is my subnet. So basically, I'm just scanning my subnet to show you guys how you can use it. So we just typed our target, and I wanna specifically scan the port number 22 here, and we will use the double V. So double V stands for basically it gives you much information like what's going on while scanning the target, and we will use the greater than sign to tell where we need to save our file, and you will just give the path where you want to save the file. So I am saving in the desktop as the t.txt, or just let me just simplify it by result, and hit the enter. So as you can see, we have the file right here in the desktop, and let's just open it and see what's inside. So you can see it's very basically human readable output, which you can see, and we have scanned port number 22, which is closed. Okay, so this is how you can save the output in the very human readable form. So we will see now how you can see the service number, service version which is running on the target device. So let's say I want to see what type of what version of the service is running on our target. So we will type the nmap, then our target is scanme.nmap.org, and we will just type hyphen small s and capital V, which stands for the service version, and we will just hit the enter button, and it will take few seconds. We can see now the version of the service which is running. For example, here, as you can see, it's running OpenSSH 6.6.1 on the SSH and port number 22. Same for the other ports, and you can also see the operating system is Linux. So That's it for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, then please like the video and drop a comment. And if you have any question, please drop in the comment section. I'll reply to your comment as soon as possible. And share this video with your friends so it helped me to gain reach. And thanks for watching. Peace.